Today we are going to do MCQs on western and eastern flowing rivers. First is, which of the following rivers flows westwards and drains into the Arabian Sea? A. Godavari, B. Krishna, C. Narmada, D. Mahanadi. Correct answer is Narmada. Question number second, the Jhelum River which flows through the Kashmir Valley originates A. Amarnath Glacier, B. Verinag Spring, C. Zojila Pass, D. Dal Lake. Correct answer is option B. Verinag Spring. Question number third, which statement is true about east flowing peninsular rivers compared with western flowing peninsular rivers? A. East flowing rivers are generally shorter and make estuaries. B. East flowing rivers generally form large deltas and drain into the Bay of Bengal. C. East flowing rivers drain into the Arabian Sea. D. East flowing rivers originate only from the Himalaya. So correct answer is option B. Question 4. Which of these is a westward flowing river of the peninsular India? A. Godavari, B. Tapi, C. Kaveri, D. Krishna. Correct answer is option C. B. Tapi. Question 5. The Tavi River, important to Jammu city, originates in A. Kashmir Valley near Srinagar, B. The Kalikund Glacier, C. The Zanskar Range, D. The Pir Panjal near Anantnag. Correct answer is option B. Kalikund Glacier. Number 6. Which of the following rivers is an east flowing river that forms a large delta plain? A. Narmada, B. Mahanadi, C. Sabarmati, D. Tapi. Correct answer is option B. Mahanadi. Question number 7. Which of the following rivers is the westernmost major Himalayan river of India? A. Ganga, B. Indus, C. Brahmaputra, D. Yamuna. Correct answer is option B. Indus. Number 8. Which characteristic typically applies to western flowing peninsular rivers like Narmada and Tapti? A. They form large deltas at their mouths. B. They are long and meandering across the eastern coastal plains. B. They often form estuaries and have shorter courses compared to many eastern flowing rivers. D. They originate from the Eastern Ghats. Correct answer is option C. Question number 9. Which of these rivers flows through Jammu and Kashmir? A. Godavari, B. Chenab, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. Correct answer is option B. Chenab. Question number 10. The source of the Indus Sindhu is generally traced to A. A spring near Verinag in Kashmir, B. A glacier near Mansarovar, C. The Western Ghats, D. The Satpura Hills. Correct answer is option B. Question number 11. Which river forms the boundary between Jammu and Kashmir's district of Ladakh and surrounding regions and is major river of Ladakh? A. Jhelum, B. Indus, C. Mahanadi, D. Ganga. Correct answer is option B. Indus. Question number 12. Which of these is an example of major tributary of the Indus system in J&K? A. Kaveri, B. Shyok, C. Kosi, D. Mahanadi. Correct answer is option B. Shyok. Question number 13. Which river does not originate from the Himalayan region? A. Jhelum, B. Chenab, C. Godavari, D. Indus. Correct answer is option C. Godavari. Question number 14. Which river flows through the Srinagar city? A. Chenab, B. Jhelum, C. Ravi, D. Narmada. Correct answer is option B. Jhelum. Question number 15. Which of the following is a typical origin zone for many eastern flowing peninsular rivers? Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri. A. Western Ghats, B. Pir Panjal Range, C. Karakoram Range, D. Aravalli Range. Correct answer is option A, Western Ghats. Question number 16. Which of these is a west flowing river that runs in a rift valley between the Satpura and Vindhya ranges? A. Godavari, B. Narmada, C. Kaveri, D. Mahanadi. Correct answer is option B, Narmada. Question number 17. Which river is called Surya Putri, daughter of sun, and flows through Jammu city? A. Chenab, B. Tavi, C. Ravi, D. Uj. Correct answer is option B, Tavi. Question number 18. Which river among these makes a large delta at its mouth on the Bay of Bengal? A. Tapi, B. Sabarmati, C. Krishna, D. Narmada. Correct answer is option C, Krishna. Question number 19. Which river flows through the valley of Kashmir? A. Chenab, B. Ravi, C. Jhelum, D. Indus. Correct answer is option C, Jhelum. Question number 20. Which pier is correctly matched? River main drainage outlet. A. Narmada, Bay of Bengal, B. Kaveri, Arabian Sea, C. Godavari, Bay of Bengal, D. Tapi, Bay of Bengal. So correct answer is option C, Godavari, Bay of Bengal.